Gemini, the song that's playing for you is Understand Me. Oh shit, no Pandora. So whether you want someone to understand you or you don't understand someone trying to get you to understand them, you want someone to understand you, there's misunderstandings everywhere. Shit, someone may be trying to convince you of something. You trying to convince someone of something. You feel like someone don't understand you, or you can't understand someone. You don't understand the space you in. You feel me? Something's over though. All right, you're gonna have to let me know what you got going on though. Oh gosh, thank you. Excuse me. Yeah. All right. We're gonna just pick up the pace here a little bit, Gemini. I've been trying to work through it. That shit kind of hard though. Okay, Gemini. I ain't gonna do that to y'all. Understand me. You may have got a new perspective. You make a new understanding. Oh shit. You may be dealing with you don't gotta be dealing with a Sagittarius, but Sagittarius had this card in the same position, but they had theirs upright. So a Sagittarius could be bringing you their mind. They want to have an understanding with you, but this new perspective you've gained put you in the space to no longer want to bring your mind somewhere. You feel me? You no longer want to invest yourself in something. You may see something as a bad seed instead of a good seed. You're not taking action towards something. You feel me? You're not investing in something that may have once upon a time made you emotionally fulfilled in some way, shape, or form. Something made you happy once upon a time, but you're not investing in that. You're not giving something the same mentality you used to give something. Maybe because of some conflict. Look, once upon a time there was celebration, now there's conflict, and you no longer invest in yourself in that shit. You don't want no parts of whatever the fuck something got going on. Whether it's someone or something you involve, like a space you involved yourself with. That space you was like, you know what? When I put myself in this mindset, when I think about this, it just puts me in a whole bunch of mental conflict, making me not able to move or invest myself the way I want to invest myself. So I'm just not going to invest myself in that period. I'm not going to take steps in that direction anymore. It's only the first card, so it could really be a whole bunch, because it's either you not taking action because the wheel turned, or the wheel turned and it's like you're taking action and it's negative action. You not taking the right action. You feel me? Back on the road. It's like you back on the road now. You back on the right road, and you're not trying to get off by taking any negative action, so you don't see something the same no more, or vice versa. You back on the road of bullshit type shit. You feel me? I swear something flipped. It flipped back. That was crazy. Yeah, that was crazy. Not even gonna lie. I mean, I still got it, so I might as well finish it off. Yeah, I'm down with myself. Yeah, no. Back to myself. Damn, Gemini, give me another card. You're holding me hostage. You better not hold your brow. I'm back on the road. Gemini. Thank you. Yeah. Balance. Justice. It's like your justice in the situation that you may love. It's like you may have once loved something, or you just don't. You still love something. I can't eat, I can't sleep, man, I miss these streets. It's like you may miss something, you may want to do something, but you're not. And that's your justice. It's like your justice is not taking action towards something. Or not. This is how you bring balance to something. Because you may know the truth about a situation, or it's like you've come to terms with something. Is whether if this is you versus you, it's like you're out of a cold situation regarding something. If this is you versus someone outside of you, then someone's out of a cold situation regarding the space they were in that you were into, or it's just like someone's out of a cold spot, period. Cold mentality, cold heart, cold expression, cold thoughts. And now whether you looking at a situation or someone outside of you is looking at a situation. If this is you versus you, it's like you're not taking action towards something is your justice. You're no longer investing in negative thoughts and or seeds or just immaturity, period. And that's pulling you out of a cold spot in your third dimensional realm. If this is someone outside of you, then someone outside of you is out of a cold spot. And it's like you're not taking action towards something because of justice, because you feel like that's justice in some way, shape, or form. My way. See, you're doing something your way now. It's like you bringing justice to something how you know to bring justice to something. Look, I'm telling you, if this is someone outside of you, it's like you're not taking action towards something or someone, and it's your justice. But that whatever you may be, how you may be looking at something may be off though. Cause it's like something outside of you is, it's kind of cool, really. I don't know why you're in the position you're in, but it's like someone outside of you is not in a cold spot regarding their mentality, emotions, their mindset, because it's coin, so it can be the mind, or just their third dimensional realm. You feel me? Someone is balanced and it's like someone is emotionally balanced in regarding the space you two share. It's like if this is you versus someone outside of you, then it's like you're not expressing your mind towards somebody, and it's almost like somebody's unbothered emotionally. And that is putting you in the space to gain a new perspective, or because you've gained a new perspective, you're no longer expressing yourself a certain type of way, or you're no longer handling a situation how you used to handle something. You feel me? You used to handle something your way, and you realize that now you're in the space you may be not expressing, it's like you're not bringing your mind somewhere, not investing in something anymore, and that's your justice. Meanwhile, what you're not investing in is, it's like it's good whether you're not investing in it or not. Be honest with you. Shit, if this is you versus someone outside of you, you may be trying to do something, get something your way. And because you feel like that's justice. I don't know if that's going to happen though. Just because how somebody, whatever, look, something heavy on you. I'm telling you, because it's like you may be trying to, it's like you're trying to handle something Gemini's way. You're trying to do something your way. You feel me? So it's like you're not investing in something anymore because you feel like that's justice. I'm not expressing my thoughts. I'm not communicating. I'm not bringing myself to something anymore because I feel like that's justice. That's the space Gemini's in. Now, someone outside of you, if this is it's like what you used to invest yourself in, it's almost good whether you not invest in yourself or not. So it's ultimately, it's like you bringing yourself a burden. You feel me? You giving yourself a problem. You gonna look. See, because something's unbalanced. What the hell? What the hell, Gemini? This is two, I'm not going to take it, but we're going to look. And then we got the conflict fell out. These are the two that fell out. See, it's like you don't see investing in something, whether this is someone outside of you or you. Someone don't see something as a good investment, or it's not a good way. This isn't a good way to express my mind. This isn't a good way to express my mentalities, express my ideas, plant seeds. I need to gain the truth that I've learned about doing something like this and just move on, carry that out. So you may have done that, right? And it's like now, and that was your justice. It's like you learned a hard lesson because you went through conflict. So now you no longer expressing yourself a certain type of way towards an individual, a group of people, or just a space. You feel me? Now, if this is you versus you, it's like you doing that. You no longer expressing yourself. You finding your justice, finding your truth in a situation, and taking that and building on that. It's like it puts you in the space to pull yourself out of a cold mentality or cold mindset in regards to a space you're in, whether that's a mental space or a third dimensional space. Now you're properly balanced in expressing how you feel regarding something, and people can see that off of you, and that may be giving you someone outside of you a burden, or it's just a lot of work on you. It's like you got your work cut out for you in regards to a situation, but you still handling it. If it's you versus someone outside of you, you think bringing balance, you think your justice in a situation is no longer either expressing your mind to someone or bringing someone a lower or negative mind, an immature mind, or just expressing and communicating yourself immaturely in how you invest your mind and your energy into something. That you think doing that will bring justice, but it won't. In fact, whatever you're dealing with is good with whether you express your mind to it or not. And that is being a burden on you. You got to put your foot in the shoe that fits you with this one, Gemini. Speed it up if the song is playing for you. So whether you need to speed something up or someone wants you to speed something up. Or something about to speed up. Last card for Gemini. Look, because the truth. They said the truth is the truth. Yeah, the truth heavy on somebody. It's like you may know the truth. You may know how to bring balance to something. It's like if you know the truth, you're not telling the truth. Because telling the truth may bring conflict. Now, what you holding the truth from, if it's a person, it's a person. It's like you're not being honest with a space. You're not expressing your mind, or it's like you're not doing something. And whether you do something or not, something outside you is like something cool regardless. And that's heavy on you. This is a burden. The truth you got is a burden. You feel me? It's a burden on you at least. That truth may be putting you in conflict in some way, shape, or form. What song is this? Gone Country. You don't have to let me know what you got going on, Gemini. Something unbalanced, though. I'm gonna fuck with you.